Okay, guys, this is part 2 of my birthday's fireworks. I believe these are bottle rockets. Sorry. Never mind. These are the big boys. Well, not. There'll be better ones, guys.
These are just the overpowered bottle rockets.
Remember, these could still blow your head off.
Hey guys, look at the sky with your eye closed. You can see it.
Can you really? I wonder if you can still see it. Oh my god, I could. Huh? I closed my eyes and I could still see it.
Oh, the smoke is horrible.
Oh god. Just don't breathe through your nose.
Uh-oh.
Here it goes, guys.
Well, you don't feel good.
I can see it when I close my eyes.
Whoa.
Oh, crap.
Guys, that just blew up on my... That was a weird one. Wait until you see this. The best part, probably be the last one.
Have you videotaped this whole thing? That was cool.
This is my second one, because the first one was getting too long.
Are you gonna put them on YouTube?
Yeah, that's going to be part 1, part 2.
And right there was a...
Getter, practically. Messed up one.
Horrible.
Seems like that tree is pretty close to the fireworks, so we might all catch on fire and die, you know.
Yes!
Nothing big.
We go to fireman here.
No, we only got 6 fireworks left.
Yeah, it's gone to college.
Jacob!
Wait, wait, wait.
Please don't do that. That's what I did you want. Yeah, I did. No funny,
What is that?
Jacob. Not funny.
What is that? My friend is whacking me with something.
No,
Did you get that from my parents' garden? Just do it.
Oh no, Nick's gonna puke.
I'm gonna puke on all of us except people that are. I'm gonna puke on people under 10.
Oh, good.
No one's under 10.
They are.
Oh.
Dude. What did I say?
So is him.
No, I'm exactly.
I'm almost
11.
Oh my gosh.
You're just like 14.
You're only 10.
I remember when I was.
Okay, guys, I think we're going more. Yeah, we're laying a couple
Still
more.
10.
I don't care.
It's weird.
I'm trying to take a video.
Okay. Excuse us, ladies
Yes,
and gentlemen.
people, I have no life.
Excuse us, ladies and gentlemen. Here's some big ones.
These are some good ones. Whoa, that one blew up on the ground. What the?
That one was cool. It was like spinning around.
Sorry about the little kids being like wussies.
At my campground, they have like fireworks.
Except Jacob, he's a strong one.
What? He's stronger than Soul. Hey, man.
And he's younger than Hunter.
And you can't, you know what's fun? Go into the pool right before it.
Okay, here we come.
Go under.
Some more.
Open your eyes, look up, and it's so cool. In the water. Wait, you have a pool at the campground? Yeah. You didn't see it? Oh, you're right next to the office. But it wasn't open.
I would be able, if I knew how to do. Since I'm new to YouTube, I can't really skip to the other fireworks. So sorry about that.
Probably like 2 minutes. Jacob,
We might figure it out, but...
You could, yeah, you guys could
Chances are
fast
low.
forward to the next.
Okay, big one.
Yeah, here comes some good ones.
come back in. Whoa! 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 Yeah.
Some good stuff, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, buddy. Oh, I want this to be over 6 minutes. Oh well.
We purchased these at the,
What's it called?
something.
Starts with an N.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, it does.
Oh yeah, North Star.
Yes, North Star.
Fireworks store in Essex. Or no, not Essex.
If you live in Vermont, you Essex.
Not Essex.
No.
Montpelier, Vermont.
Yeah, Montpelier, I think. It's actually near my dad's store. He said.
Huh?
He said it was near his school though. I hope they don't hear that.
Oh yeah, remember you slept until like 8 and I slept until like 7? Yeah, you woke up at like 6 and went fishing and then I came down
Ugh. So yeah, guys, you can just fast forward to the other
Ready?
fireworks.
Ready? Ready?
Oh, I believe we're lighting the best ones. I can't really see from here since it's so dark.
Yeah, I think it's, what is it, like a big circle?
Okay, here it goes, guys. These are good. These are the best, I think.
Let's do it!
Yeah, these are some of the best and some of the...
Here we go!
Okay, these aren't... Here we go.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Grand finale, guys. Here we go. This is the best one right here.
Come on!
Right here. These are the best. There's a lot of smoke right now, guys, so it's kind of... Okay, that's it. Rate, comment, subscribe.
So, subscribe or we're going to have to murder you.
Yep.
Bye.
If you want more videos like this, well, wait another year.